Hello, my dear students. Let's start lesson 3 in unit 6. Greatest common factor. How we can find the greatest common factor? Let's first try to understand the meaning of the letter. Greatest means what? The highest or the biggest. Common. Common means same in two or more things. Factor. Do you remember the factor? The number that I use to multiply by each other. So now we can know that common factors of two numbers are factors that are the same. Actually, this is what we said. That common means same. The greatest common factor of two numbers is the greatest or the highest number that is a factor of both, repeated in both. And we will take an example about that. How can you find the greatest common factor between two numbers or more? We have to follow some steps to find the greatest common factor of two or more numbers. Let's take an example and try to apply the steps on this example. The common factors of 12 and 16. First, identify the factors of each number. What are the factors of 12? 1 times 12. 2 times 6. 3 times 4. This is the factors of 12. What are the factors of 16? 1 times 16. 2 times 8. Nothing in table 3. And 4 times 4. So the factors here are 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. I don't have to repeat the 4 two times. So now we are done with the first step. We identified the factors of each number. Second step, we have to find the common factors. We said that common means same. Same, so let's find the common number or the repeated numbers in both factors of 12 and 16. Let's do it with a different color. 1 and here 1. 2, 2. 3, no, the 3 is not repeated. 4 and 4. 6 is not repeated. 12 is not repeated. So now we found the common factors for this number. So we are done with step number 2. Step number 3. What we have to do? Find the greatest common factor. Which number is the greatest of those common? The 1 or the 2 or the 4? Of course, the 4 is the greatest common factor. So now we know that the greatest common factor is 4. Let's try to solve some exercise. List the factors of each number. Highlight or circle the common factors of each pair of number. So we have to do two things here. To list the factors of each number and then highlight or circle the common factors of each pair of numbers. What are the factors of 36? Of course, 1 is a common factor to all numbers. So it will be 1 and 36. 2 and 18. 3 and 12. 4 and 9. 6 times 6. And now the factors of 42 are 1 and 40, 2. 2 times 21, 3 times 14, 6 times 7. What are the common factors here? Let's circle it together. The 1, 2, 3, 4, no, 6, yes. and nothing else. Which one is the greatest common factor here? 6 is the greatest. Okay, next one, quickly. Who can tell me the factors of 18? 1 and 18, what else? 2 times 9, great. 3 times 6, excellent. 4. Factors of 4 are only 1 times 4 and 2 times 2. So we have 3 factors, 1, 2, and 4. The common here are 1 and 2. But the greatest is the 1 or the 2? The 2, of course. Next one, factors of 20. 1 times 20. 2 times 10. 4 times 5. And what about the 30? 1 times 30, 2 times 15, 3 times 10, 5 times 6. Let's circle the common. 1, 2, 5, 10. Which one is the greatest? The 10, of course. 21. What are the factors of 21? 1 and 21 and 3 times 7. 1 and 35, 5 times 7. What is the common here? 1 and 7, and of course the greatest is the 7. Note that 1 is the common factor of all whole numbers. As you notice, whenever we list the factors, 1 is the first factor. All prime numbers has a common factor that is 1, such as 7 and 11. What are the factors of 7? Factors of 7 are 1 and 7. Factors of 11 are 1 and 11. So the common here is only 1, as 7 and 11 are prime. Now, thank you for watching. Study hard and practice more. See you in the next lesson.